Welcome to CHLB Packing Machine Company, Limited, your trusted partner in packaging solutions. With over 20 years of experience, we specialize in the research, development, design, manufacturing, and technical support of packaging machines. Our range of packaging machines, including CE-certified flow packaging machines, VFFS machines, and plasticine packaging machines, are widely used in various industries, including packaged food, hardware, medical supplies, and hotel supplies. As a manufacturer, we design and build packaging machines and control quality machines to ensure the best quality and service to support your production automation and wholesale business. Our high-precision automated machines, equipped with servo motors and intelligent systems, help you increase productivity. In addition, we offer a range of optional materials and equipment to manufacture your private packaging according to your ideas and needs. By deeply studying our customers' needs and competing with current packaging methods, our engineers strive to develop advanced technologies and provide smarter solutions in the near future. Through our continuous research and innovation, more automated shrink packaging machines and more automated feeding systems equipped with robotic arms will become possible. To reduce unplanned downtime and maintenance costs, we not only provide high-quality service machines, but also complete support services, including a 13-month warranty, spare parts, training resources, and on-site technical support. Our sales team and engineers are standing by to resolve your technical questions. Our mission is to create personalized packaging solutions. CHLB's high-quality packaging machines help you streamline production and increase your return on investment. Contact us today to learn more about our innovative packaging solutions.